guys, this is Nia from Lexus of Orange Park. I'm a technology specialist here. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you can stay up to date on our weekly technology videos. Without further ado, let's get into our hidden gem today. We are going to be learning how to use SiriusXM Replay. Press the menu button and select Audio. In audio, we are going to press the source button in the top left-hand corner of the screen. If you don't have a subscription to SiriusXM Radio, you can't do these next steps. Now select SiriusXM and tune to your desired station. On the left-hand side of the screen, there is a side menu, and in that side menu, you'll see something that says SiriusXM Replay. Select that, and as you can see, you can pause, rewind, play, and fast forward a live radio station. Isn't that awesome? Go ahead and try it out. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 904-562-4523, email us, Zoom call us, or stop by today.